I'm sure you've heard the news. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 is finally here, and it's a game changer. Hey everyone, today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Toyota RAV4, a stylish tech-loaded upgrade on an SUV favorite. From the sleek front grille to the refined LED lights, Toyota has really taken the 2025 RAV4 to the next level. It's got a fresh, rugged look that's perfect for both city streets and outdoor adventures. Step inside and you'll find luxury and tech in every corner. The 2025 RAV4 boasts an upgraded infotainment system, a larger digital display and premium materials that make every drive feel first class. But that's not all. Toyota packed in advanced safety features, ensuring you and your loved ones are protected on every journey, and with even more space for passengers and cargo, it's perfect for families or those spontaneous weekend getaways. Stylish, practical and full of features, the 2025 RAV4 is ready for anything. Want a deeper look? Be sure to like, subscribe and keep watching for our full review. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.